Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0327 refers to a malfunction within the knock sensor circuit, specifically indicating a low voltage condition. This diagnostic trouble code is crucial as it pertains to the knock sensor, which monitors engine vibrations to detect knocking or pinging sounds. The knock sensor plays a significant role in optimizing engine performance by providing feedback to the powertrain control module, PCM, which adjusts timing and fuel delivery accordingly. Its location is typically on the engine block or cylinder head, connected to the ECU through a dedicated 2-pin connector. Proper functioning ensures smooth engine operation and prevents damage from excessive knocking during combustion. Understanding this code is vital for both diagnostics and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle's engine. The knock sensor is an essential component that helps ensure the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Typically mounted on the engine block or cylinder head, it utilizes piezoelectric technology to convert vibrations caused by knocking into electrical signals. These signals are then relayed to the powertrain control module, or PCM, which interprets this data to maintain optimal engine performance. If the PCM detects abnormal vibrations, it adjusts the ignition timing or fuel mixture, thereby preventing potential engine damage. The effective operation of the knock sensor means the vehicle can detect knocking, which occurs when fuel combusts too early in the engine cycle, causing inefficient performance and potential harm to engine components. Therefore, understanding its role in the context of DTC P0327 is vital for accurate diagnostics and timely intervention. Several issues may trigger the DTC P0327, including a failed knock sensor itself. A malfunctioning sensor would inherently send incorrect signals to the PCM, creating confusion in engine management. Additionally, wiring problems, such as shorts or corrosion in the harness, can result in low voltage readings from the sensor, leading to this diagnostics trouble code. Poor connections at the sensor or the PCM may also contribute to intermittent failures, causing the knock sensor to lose effective communication with the control module. Lastly, a faulty PCM can manifest similar symptoms, but usually requires further isolation through testing to confirm as a cause. Effectively identifying these potential failures is the initial step in troubleshooting and resolving DTC P0327. When the car's system triggers DTC P0327, drivers may notice several symptoms that indicate an underlying issue. One common symptom is poor engine performance, where the engine may hesitate or stutter during acceleration due to incorrect timing adjustments. Consequently, this can lead to increased emissions as the engine struggles to operate efficiently, potentially resulting in a failed emissions test. A lit check engine light is often the most immediate indication of the problem, prompting further diagnosis. Additionally, drivers might experience reduced fuel efficiency, as the fuel delivery may not be optimized due to the knock sensor's low voltage output. Understanding these symptoms allows for quicker diagnostics and intervention to restore optimum vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0327 involves putting the vehicle in the on mode. This action activates the vehicle's electronic systems, allowing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, access to read current fault codes. Next, clear any existing DTCs with the HDS. This ensures you can evaluate the current status of the system without interference from historical codes. After clearing the codes, switch the vehicle back to off mode, and then return it to on mode once more. This sequence allows the system to reinitialize and check for any new or persistent DTCs. Throughout this process, you're essentially determining whether P0327 has reoccurred, confirming a solid basis for further investigation. In this step, the next action is to turn the vehicle off to safely disconnect the knock sensor. The knock sensor is connected via a 2-pin connector, which you'll need to detach from its harness. After ensuring the vehicle is powered down and safe for inspection, proceed by turning the vehicle back on. This action allows the system to recheck for any DTCs present once the sensor is disassembled. If the DTC P0328 appears during this step, it indicates a high voltage problem and confirms that the knock sensor needs to be replaced. Conversely, if no new codes appear, you'll continue the troubleshooting process to further isolate the issue. For this troubleshooting step, begin by turning the vehicle off to prepare for testing. Next, you'll utilize the HDS to jump the SCS, Service Check Switch line, which is necessary for certain diagnostic processes. Disconnect the PCM connector C51P to ensure that the powertrain control module is isolated from power while you perform continuity testing. This shutdown process is vital to ensure you get accurate readings without interference from active power. With both the PCM and knock sensor connectors disconnected, continuity tests can then begin to check for wiring issues or shorts that might be affecting the knock sensor circuit. By isolating these components, you create a controlled environment conducive for effective diagnostics. In this step, you will check for continuity between two specific test points using the correct conditions, ensuring the vehicle remains in the off mode with the knock sensor and PCM connectors disconnected. The goal is to establish a conductive path between the knock sensor's 2P connector terminals and the body ground while looking for any shorts. If continuity exists between these test points, this indicates an electrical fault, and you'll need to repair any shorts in the knock sensor wiring. If no continuity is detected, this suggests that the wiring may be intact. In such cases, consider updating the PCM software, or if already up to date, substituting with a known good PCM to see if that resolves the DTC P0327. After completing the necessary repairs or replacements, the final verification step is crucial to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Begin by rechecking for any DTCs using the HDS to confirm that DTC P0327 has cleared. Following this, a test drive is an essential step, allowing you to observe if the vehicle operates normally under various conditions. Monitoring engine performance during this drive, especially for any signs of knocking or misfiring, will help confirm that the repair was successful. Only upon confirming that the vehicle is back to normal operation can you conclude the troubleshooting process. Ensuring all functionalities are restored not only validates the repairs, but also provides peace of mind regarding the vehicle's performance. Preventive maintenance is essential for ensuring the longevity and reliability of your vehicle, particularly regarding the knock sensor and related circuits. Regularly inspecting the wiring connections and connectors helps detect corrosion or wear that could lead to intermittent problems. Additionally, whenever you perform replacements, using quality OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts, guarantees that you're not compromising performance. Periodically checking for and updating the PCM software can also provide significant benefits, optimizing performance and avoiding issues associated with outdated software. A proactive approach to maintenance, including timely inspections and necessary updates, will significantly reduce the likelihood of facing DTC P0327 and keep your Honda Fit running smoothly. In conclusion, DTC P0327 signifies a critical issue within the vehicle's knock sensor circuit, primarily related to low voltage concerns. Understanding its significance not only helps in accurately diagnosing the problem, but also in appreciating the role of key components like the knock sensor and PCM. Following a structured troubleshooting process is of utmost importance. Each step you take is designed to eliminate possible causes methodically, ensuring accurate diagnosis and repair. It's essential also to recognize symptoms that can manifest from such issues, which can aid in early detection of problems. Additionally, engaging in preventive maintenance will further enhance the vehicle's performance and reliability, making it integral to any responsible Honda Fit owner's routine. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.